Alright, today we're going to be working on the Daily Drifter G35 and we're going to show you the best way to get rid of the hazy fog lights, headlights that are super common on the G35 and 350Z. The easiest way and the best way. What are we starting with, Colin?
Oh, you're putting pressure on me. 800.
800, look at that.
Now 1,000. $1,500. All good. 3,000. $5,000.
You can already see the difference, even just after sanding and wet sanding. Now we got some rubbing compound on there and cut and buff.
Cut part 2. This is so bad. Yeesh.
It already looks way better. Chef's kisses. And I helped. Look at that. Car already looks probably 10 years newer already. It's just chef's kisses all the way. Absolutely looks so much better now. Look at that. Love the car. Love the car. So that's all I had for today. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more videos coming up on this car. Thanks for watching.